Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to do the installation of Openmandriva version 5 Gnome desktop. So let us start. I have already downloaded the Openmandriva 5 Gnome desktop ISO. We will start the installation of the Mandriva OS. And then in the next video, we will do the review of the Gnome desktop of Mandriva OS or the Openmandriva OS, whatever you say. Here you can see you have got options. For example, language selection. You can see these are the languages that can be selected. So quite a number of languages are available, and keyboard layouts, even bigger collection of keyboard layouts is available for choice. Very long list of keyboard layouts. Then in troubleshooting section, you can start the Openmandriva installer in basic graphics mode. You can start the Openmandriva LX live desktop or the installer in command line mode. You can also start with the PCI ASPM off. So, and similarly NVMe APST off. So these are the options. APST and APSM. What is that? We can cover in another video. And you can start the Openmandriva LX live mode. That is the live desktop, Gnome desktop, and the installer with alternative background interface. So these are all the options available in the installer. Now we will go with the first option, that is to start the Openmandriva LX live mode desktop, the Gnome desktop with 6.6.2 desktop kernel. So traditionally Mandrake and the derivatives of the Mandrake OS have got very beautiful wallpapers and splash screens. So Openmandriva is carrying on the legacy of this beautiful splash screens and wallpapers from Mandriva. As compared to the Magia, it is not that good wallpapers and splash screens as compared to the Openmandriva. And also there is a difference. Openmandriva will have more latest software packages as compared to Magia. Magia is more stability focused. Mandriva is more, you can say, it is kind of more rolling release kind of thing, and it has got all the latest application packages, system packages. Here you can see the accessibility features. Let us check out. So all the accessibility features are there. This is the settings panel. So you got wireless manager. You got toggle for the dark style, light style. Okay, so the desktop is booted. And you can see this is pretty standard Gnome desktop. So these are all the utilities and applications that are available in this Gnome desktop. Okay. So first thing what we will do is we will open the settings menu and we will increase the resolution. So the resolution scaling is not proper here. Okay, so that's it. We are going to keep the changes. We will close this and then we can now search for the installer. Where is the installer gone? So this is the installer. We can start with the actual install. So I think this pretty standard looking Gnome desktop will appeal to lot many users, and it will fetch lot many new users to the Openmandriva fold. So the Calamars installer is there for the installation. You can see here it is not choosing the right region and zone for me, so I will have to change it. It is going for Atlantic, I don't know. Yes, Asia. Then I have to go for Kolkata or Mumbai, whatever is available, or even this Kathmandu, Kolkata. Yes, Kolkata is there. Next, I will have to go for the Indian. You can see there is a duplicate mouse hovering above. So there is some issue with the this ISO. And you can let us go for the erase this option. We will have swap with no Hibernate. Let's go with Hibernate option also. And let us go with XFS file system. Let us see what they have got for the XFS file system. And encryption, system encryption, maybe not. In other video we will try out, because we are going to try out the LSQT desktop ISO also. That time we will do this. Done. And we will keep the password same for the admin account. Here you can see the bug is there. The two cursors are there. So we will create a new GPT partition on the dev SDA 27189 MB of partition with entry root, and the XFS file system will be it is going for this book. Okay, so it will be root as well as boot. So boot record will be there on the root partition itself, and the XFS file system will be written in the root partition, and 8 GB of swap will be created, and the Openmandriva Alex system will be installed with the Gnome desktop. Let us start. Let us see now how much time it takes to complete the installation. We have started somewhere 2 minutes back, so around 10:26 we started. So the installation completed in about 15 minutes, and now we will reboot, and in the next video we will check out the Gnome desktop of Openmandriva LX 5.0 series. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.